Hello and welcome to the walking talking topic on area and perimeter, question number 3 with me, Mr. Barton. Right, what's going on here? In the diagram above, the circle has a diameter of 12 centimetres. Calculate the area of the shaded part. A classic GCSE style question. Right, diameter of 12. Now the diameter of a circle is this bit here. It is a straight line that goes right through the centre of the circle. So that bit there is 12. Now, how's that going to help us? Well, if we can get the area of this full circle here, and if we can get the area of the square that surrounds it, and if we can do the area of the square, take away the area of the circle, I think we're going to leave ourselves with that shaded area. But that's easier said than done. Let's see what we can get. So let's start with my square, and I like to write down exactly what I'm doing here. So my area of the square is just going to be base times by the height, just like you would do with a rectangle. So what's my base? Well, the beauty of a circle is if that bit's 12, that bit's 12 as well. So I'm going to have a 12, and I'm going to have a 12 here. So it's just going to be 12 times 12, which I think is just going to be 144 units centimetres squared. So that's my square all the way around. What about my circle? Now the beauty of this is, if your answer for this area of the circle comes out bigger than 144, you know you've made a mistake because that circle doesn't take up as much area as a square. But likewise, it's got to be reasonably close to 144. So let's see what comes out. What's my formula for area of a circle? Pi r squared. I should have put area there, that was bad. What's my radius of the circle? Well, if my diameter is equal to 12, my radius of the circle, half of that, is going to be equal to 6 centimetres. Okay, so my area is equal to pi times by my radius, which I know is 6, all squared. Let's reach for the calculator. So, let's bang it in. Pi is down here. Shift, and then it's, on my calculator, it's that button there. That gets me my pi. And I times it by my radius, which is 6, and then I'm going to press my little squared button there. And then always check it looks exactly the same as it does that you've written down. Press equals, and it tells me it's 36 pi, but I want the actual decimal, so I'm going to press my SD button, and that tells me it's 113.097 ... centimetres squared. Does that look sensible? Well, yeah, it's less than 114, but not ridiculously less than 114. So that's looking quite good. So let's get our shaded area. So I'm going to put shaded. So it's going to be equal to 144, which is the area of the square. And I'm going to subtract my area of my circle, 113.097 ... And let's see what that equals. So 144. Take off 113.097. Press equals, and I'm going to get that it's about 30.903 units centimetres squared. Has it asked me to round it to anything? No, it hasn't. So I think I'll leave it as 30.9 centimetres squared to one decimal place. There you go.